What's going on, everybody? I am back with you today with an extra special video. This is the first raking and baling video of 2020. I've already gotten started. I got a few passes done around this field that I'm on right now, and we're just getting started. So stick around. We're fixing to rake some hay. Well, folks, Dad finally made it down here. He's gonna chase behind me real quick in some of these smaller areas so I can have me a little turning around room. Hay's looking pretty good. The thin spots are thin and the thick spots are thick, and can't ask for much better than that. So it's going pretty well so far. Well, folks, we'll stop for a second on this backfield. It's down here behind our beans, and we're already starting to see a little bit of deer damage down here. Those things must have just been waiting in the bushes for the beans to come up, because they found them immediately. So it's not as bad as it could be, but anyway, they look all right. The beans are coming on pretty good. They could use a little shower on them, a little bit of rain, but looking good so far. So a few folks can hear some area out here that my dad ran the tedder over last night, and actually made it dry out a whole lot faster, and makes it a good bit smoother to rake over. It doesn't dry in a clump, so looks pretty good. Well, folks, that's gonna be it for today. The dew started to come up, and the hay starts getting real tough and damp, and it just doesn't do very well. So we're gonna come back tomorrow and hit it again. I'll see you folks then. What's going on, everybody? We're back out here for day 2 of raking this hay and baling it, and we are back hard at it. I've already raked a small field down there, and Dad is actually baling the stuff that I raked on the ditch last night, and then he's going to bale that little field. And I'm over here raking our large terrace right now, and when I get done with that, I'm going to break into a large field that we've got that is some new ground. It's got a whole lot of good fescue on it. So stay tuned. We're just getting started again. Well, folks, we're about to get this little field wrapped up, and then it's on back behind me to the large field. If you folks can tell, it's a good bit thinner on this side of this ridge right here. Back in this corner, it's a good bit thinner, but that's okay. The rest of the field will make up for it. Well, folks, nearly done with this field. Dad's hot on my tail at the baler, and got a passenger. He's by. Oh, he's ignoring me. Well, we're almost done. Well, folks, I hope y'all have enjoyed this first installment of several different raking and baling videos. This is just really the first time we've been able to do it this year. The rain really hadn't cooperated that well, but hey, it made some really nice hay. So we're really glad for that. And yeah, that's going to be it. So if you like this video, please leave me a like down below and a comment if you'd like to. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot more of this to come. So with that being said, I'll catch you folks later.